How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How is he?
He is doing well.
How is she?
She is very happy.
How is it?
It is great.
How are we?
We are ready.
How are they?
They are excited.
How am I?
You are doing well.
How is the weather?
It is sunny.
How is your friend?
He is healthy.
How is your sister?
She is busy.
How is your family?
They are fine.
How is school?
It is interesting.
How is work?
It is going well.
How is the food?
It is delicious.
How is your mother?
She is fine.
How is your father?
He is busy.
How is your brother?
He is happy.
How is your teacher?
She is kind.
How is your English?
It is getting better.
How is everything?
Everything is perfect.
How is your weekend?
It is relaxing.
How is your morning?
It is peaceful.
How is your evening?
It is wonderful.
How is your night?
It is quiet.
How is your lunch?
It is delicious.
How is your breakfast?
It is tasty.
How is your dinner?
It is excellent.
How is your house?
It is clean.
How is your room?
It is tidy.
How is your car?
It is running well.
How is your bike?
It is fast.
How is your computer?
It is working perfectly.
How is your internet?
It is very fast.
How is your study?
It is going well.
How is your exam?
It is easy.
How is your project?
It is almost finished.
How is your mood?
It is great.
How is your sleep?
It is good.
How is your life?
It is beautiful.
How is your experience?
It is amazing.